Should this be covered under warranty? The MacBook is pulling 5 volts instead of 20 volts. We replaced the battery on this unit 6 months ago. Customer is back now after 6 months stating that it has not worked since we touched it. We know from experience to check this line. PP 3v3 R3VO Aeon blah blah blah, it commonly shorts out on this model. Set the multimeter to diode mode and test. The beep on both sides of this capacitor confirm the short. Compared to a known good board for reference. Instead of a beep, we get a proper reading of 0.316. Inject voltage while viewing under a thermal camera. The shorted component is pulling 180 milliamps and reveals itself. Inspect under the microscope and identify the culprit. Mark it for death. The shorted component is U4700. The chip is bad. Pull a replacement U4700 from a donor board. Use 380 degrees Celsius and 50 airflow on JBC hot air station. Put the IC into a fixture and prepare to clean it. Use flux and copper wick to flatten the pads. Then tin them with 183 soldering. Remove the bad chip using hot air. Same parameters, 380 degrees Celsius and 50 airflow on JBC station. Add 138 degree low melt solder to your iron. Tin each pad and then use copper wick to flatten. Clean it up and then verify that the short is gone with IC removed. Confirmed with a normal diode mode value. Apply flux and solder, create a pillow on each pad. We are ready to install the new chip.
Can we go thrift shopping?
What? Install using new parameters, 350 degrees Celsius and 40 airflow. Lower heat because we replaced the factory 217 solder with 183. Lower airflow so the chip doesn't fly away. Looks good. Let's clean up the board with some 99% isopropyl alcohol and our trusty toothbrush, one of the most useful tools in our arsenal. Confirm the readings with chip installed, we get a good value. Let's go ahead and test this bitch.
But shit, it was 99 cents. I get copping it, washing it, about to go and get some compliments, passing up on those moccasins. Someone else has been walking in by me and grungy fucking man.
What the fuck? So this is what the customer's port looked like. It caused a puff of smoke and broke my USB-C meter. Got a new one here for testing.
Hello, my ace man, my mellow. John Wayne ain't got nothing on my fringe.
pulling 20 volts and Apple logo on screen is a good sign. So the question I have for you is this. Should it be covered under warranty?
Got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is fucking awesome. I'm gonna